Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I haven't done one of these videos in a while, and I think you guys kind of like them, so I thought I'd take a second and show you. So alright, I now have, and I'm kind of even blown away by this, so this random seed video that I almost didn't even make, that I didn't think a soul would care about it, as intrigued as I was, and it is now my top viewed video. Then right behind that is the upgrade pip and a variety of just very odd videos. Now you have some of your basic ones that most of the people coming to the channel then view and then jump over, but it is at a total of 96. So I'm at to the 90, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 94 videos that have at least 1,000 views or more, and it's typically several thousand. But I just wanted to take a second to tell you all thank you very, very much. Yeah, this is the one that kind of cracks me up right here. The trailer. Somebody actually gave it a thumbs down. So it has 11 thumbs up and 1 thumbs down. That kind of cracked me up a lot. But I just want to tell you guys thank you. And also comment down below if you do want to see the under the hood working for that product, for the itertools product function that we use to find all of our different variations of the letters for the phone number. So just drop a comment down below, or because I'm leaning towards doing it. So if we have any sort of because it's a very good exercise, and it's actually some interview questions. So and it's a really neat topic to really kind of just wrap your head around how that is built. So just wanted to take a moment to tell you guys thank you, and I greatly always appreciate all the support. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.